Good morning, students. In this class, you will be learning about present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. So, before I move on, I would like to first of all tell you why this tense is known as present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. This is so because it always has a connection with the present. It always has a connection with the present or now. That is why this tense in English grammar is known as present perfect continuous tense. Okay, now let's take a look at all the different uses. That what are the circumstances, what are the situations, cases where we use present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. One very important that you all must know, we use present perfect tense while talking about any such past action, which has recently stopped, or you may say which has recently been completed or recently come to an end. Right, we have some examples here. Look at them. Like, I am tired because I have been running. I am tired because I have been running. Look at this part of the sentence. I am tired. It talks about the present time, but here the action of running that took place in the past, okay, and it has ended just now. So such cases are there where we use present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Next example, why is the grass wet? Again, present tense is there. Has it been raining? Means the action of raining took place in the past and then it recently come to an end. Okay, again we get here the connection of the present or the connection of now. Next example, you don't understand because you haven't been listening. You haven't been listening. This part of the sentence talks about the past time somewhere, okay, when the action took place, when the action started, the action of listening started, okay, and you don't understand. This part of the sentence is there of present tense. Here once again we get the connection of the present. So these are the cases where we use present perfect continuous tense, okay, and this tense is also used when we talk about any such past action, okay, which is still continue, or you may say that which is continue in the present as well. If I talk about any such action that took place in the past, or you may say that started in the past but that is still continued, it is still not completed, in such cases also we use present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have been reading for 2 hours. I have been reading for 2 hours means the action of reading started in the past, okay, the action of reading started in the past but it is still continued in the present, it is not yet completed, okay. Next example, we have been studying since 9 o'clock. We have been studying since 9 o'clock, okay, the action of studying took place at 9 o'clock in the past but it is still not completed, it is still going on. Next one, how long have you been learning English? How long have you been learning English? Means the action of learning English took place in the past and it is still going on, it is yet not completed, okay. So these cases are there, we use present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense, okay. Now look at the structure for framing sentences. First, affirmative. In case of affirmative sentences, first we have to write subject and then have, has according to number or person of the subject, and then after that ing form of the verb, after that ing form of the verb, and then since or for according to time. Okay, since for point of time and for period of time. Okay, then rest of the words. For example, I have been writing a poem. I have been writing a poem since 1 year. I have been writing a poem since 1 year. Or you may say they have been playing cricket for 3 hours. They have been playing cricket for 3 hours. Okay, and she has been learning English. She has been learning English since 2005, since 2005, since 2010, since 2012, since 1947, or anything like that. Okay, next, what about negative sentences? In case of negative sentences, first we have to write subject and then have has according to subject, and then not, means how the sentences will go on. I haven't been, they haven't been, they have not been, I have not been, like that. Okay, and then ing form of the verb, and then since for according to, since or for according to time. Okay, like I haven't been playing for a very long time. Okay, she hasn't been studying since Monday. They haven't been working, they haven't been working here for a very long time. Okay, or you may say you have not been working in this company since 2018, since 2018. Okay, and they have not been doing their work for 3 weeks, for 3 weeks, for 5 days, for 10 days. Okay, this is how we have to frame negative sentences of present perfect continuous tense. What about interrogative sentences? Okay, for interrogative sentences, first we have to write question words, that is also called WH words, and then have has, after that subject, and then been, after been ing form of the verb, and then since or for according to time. So how interrogative sentences will go on? Have I not been telling you every now and then since Monday? Have they not playing in the stadium for last 5 days? Okay, has she not coming to visit you? Has she not visiting you? Has she not been visiting you? Like this. Has she not been visiting you since last week, since Monday? Or you may say for a year, for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for 5 days, for 10 days. This is how we have to frame interrogative sentences, and all interrogative sentences will be ending in question mark. Okay, this is where my class comes to an end. See you in my next video with some another topic. Thanks for watching.